cute. Okay. I don't have any. Oh, my lips look okay. Okay. Hey, what's up, you guys? So welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna be doing these braids. As y'all can see, I'm already done and ready, and it's not a get ready with me, but I did my hair, and this is gonna be an intro because I forgot to film an intro. So hi y'all. So this is the finished look. Hair, pow 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 pow, down to the cheeks. Y'all can't really see it, and then the ends are just giving curly girl Mrs. Sue, curly Sue. And I'm gonna do my edges again, and yeah. Hey everybody, so let's get started with my hair. It's in its natural state. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so y'all can see me. I didn't wash my face because y'all, my face just gets so oily when I do this hairstyle. So I have my mirror up. This is what I use. I just use this back mirror to kind of see. I turn, angle, those vibes. So yeah, I put my ring light in here so I can see the back of my hair a little better. Like when I'm doing this and stuff like that. So hopefully that works. And y'all are gonna see, basically when the video starts, y'all already seen how my hair is gonna be. But, you know, it's cool. I hope y'all been liking these videos. I've been switching it up, y'all. I'm sorry, but I just can't do one type of video. I feel like I started off trying to have a niche. I started off doing that, but like, I like doing everything. Like, I like vlogging, I like content, I like lifestyle, I like beauty stuff, so skincare. So, you know what I mean? Just rock with me. Just rock with me. It will be okay. So today, I'm using my normal Shine and Jam that I normally use. Red tail comb. And then today I'm gonna try this BTL braiding gel. And I don't know, I don't even got the receipt, so, but I had seen this video of this girl and she was talking about like different gels to try, so I'm gonna try this. It just really depends on your hair type, so. Oh, it smells good. Okay, we're gonna try it and I'll let y'all know how it works because I've been trying to find new braiding gels to use. Also, I'm doing colored hair, even though my hair is black AF, but I'm about to be a blonde girl and I don't care. And the little extension hair is black. Okay, maybe I won't put the extension hair in this time because I'm doing blonde hair and it's not gonna match. But it was a thought that counts. I really was trying. But okay, so whenever I get everything prepared and stuff like that, I'll be back and we'll get started. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with the update. I am almost halfway through my head, braiding a piece of hair down. I literally, y'all, okay, so my parts are a little bad, so this one ended up being thin because I made like this middle part kind of thick. But y'all, I don't be caring for real because I'm like, the fact that I even got in this mirror trying to do cornrows again. The last time I did them, it was a little more even. I don't know if it's the way that I did it today, but I'm just going with the flow. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of did this one small, which I was kind of nervous about, which did mess up the structure of the rest of my hair. But I just be thinking like, it's just the thought that counts, honestly. Like, I'm really trying, and that's all that matters. But when I get to this, after I do this middle part, then I'm going to take a break and make some food because I'm hungry and I feel like I'm about to like pass out. And then I'm gonna start on the other side, and it was pretty quick. I started at 11 something. It's 1, so I think I'm on good timing. They're pretty long. I'm gonna curl the ends because I want them curly. I'm gonna show y'all how I prep my piece of hair. So first, I look like a snail. But I just ran out of hair. Like, so I'm just about to reset everything up. Hold on. Okay, so I set all my hair up again. I'm taking these out. I basically have to redo my middle part because I sort of trashed it. Can you see? Okay, perfect. So when doing your own hair or doing anybody else's hair, you gotta make sure you gel the hair down. And y'all, I put all these clips in my hair because my biggest problem is whenever I'm trying to like braid and like little pieces of this hair come in, so now my part is like janky. So I just
trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Baby, don't be down. Don't be wrong. I ain't got no one at all. This penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. Wanna have time, but I can make time for you. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Step and spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my people straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah.
I did with a bro, sniped his ass. He got hit in the head from far.
Swam now with nobody, cause I
somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say.
We're about to go out, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.